To launch the VR experience, aim at the 3D cube icon in the Apps section of the Universal menu and select it using the front trigger. In a few seconds, you will be immersed in the Swiss Alps scenery standing on top of a train. Push the thumbstick of your controller forward to activate the teleport function. Aim at one of the teleport stations and then release the thumbstick to take a closer look at Ucentrics AG products. Once teleported, use the grip side button of your controller to interact with the pantograph, switch, and vacuum circuit breaker. Teleport to the station marked with a steering wheel to jump into the cabin and start driving. In the drive cabin, you will be able to operate the train using several buttons and toggles. Aim to select and trigger using the grip button. Start by raising the pantograph to connect to the overhead line. On the right side, you can check the rooftop camera view to verify the state of your pantograph. Then, close the circuit to let electricity flow and you are good to go. Simply control your speed using the speed indicator and the up-down arrow buttons. The goal of the game is to complete the track in the least time possible, but watch out for the signs on the electricity poles. When you encounter a pair of signs one after each other, open the circuit and lower the pantograph as soon as possible to go through the neutral section. Wait until a single signal comes to raise the pantograph and close the circuit again. You may then accelerate to gain back the lost speed. If you don't lower the pantograph on time, you will be penalized with extra time. Moreover, if you also keep the circuit closed through the neutral section, you will get a higher time penalty and you will lose a life. If you manage to reach the end of the track, congratulations! Type in your nickname and challenge yourself or somebody else to beat your record.